Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Banggood tool review. This time I'm going to be doing a review on a step drill or a taper drill. This step drill goes from 4mm to 32mm. It's got wood on the shank, HSS plus CU, so it must have cobalt in it. It's heavy, it's heavier than an ordinary steel drill. So we'll give it a try, see what it can do. I've got some aluminium box section, some mild steel box section, and my favourite 4mm stainless box section. The flattening drill 4mm stainless box section, it's got to be good. I'd like to make one or two things perfectly clear before we start. The first thing is, Banggood don't make them. Banggood are an import company that import goods from China, so it's a Chinese step drill. The other thing is, Banggood have given me that free of charge. In fact, they've given us two. I can do with whatever I want. Sell it, keep it, give it away. I'm probably going to give one away, and if they're any good, I'll keep one. The other thing is, I'll put a link on the start of the video where you can go and buy one of these. If you buy one, I do get a very, very small commission. It would let us retire, but it means I can make better videos and it helps us to run the shop. Right, so there's nothing underhanded, everything's straight up and down. What you see is what you get. No pissing about. If I don't like it, I'll just say it. I'm not going to try and break it. I'm going to use lubricant and I'm going to use it properly, and we'll see exactly what it can do. Right, so enough waffling on, let's get some holes drilled. Right, this is a close-up shot of the drill. Starts off at 4mm, goes up to 32. It's got a ring on there. That's in the middle of the 10mm one, because 10mm is a popular hole, so it's got a 10mm there, so you can, you know, when you're at 10mm, I suppose. I've used it, you can see it's been used, not a lot, but I have used it. Pretty sharp, it's quite heavy, so it's definitely a bit more than just steel. It's got wood on the shank here, 432, and then HSS plus CU, which is high speed steel with cobalt in it. So we'll give it a try and see exactly what happens. I've got a bit of aluminium here, we'll try it on the aluminium first. This is the same material I used when I tested the hole saws. A little bit of WD-40 lubricant. Right, and as you would expect, that's absolutely walking through the aluminium. We'll stop at the next size. These are nice countersink hole as well, that's good, I'm impressed with that. Right, we'll drill the 10mm one and then we'll measure it and see if it is 10mm. Right, and that's a 10mm one with a band on. I mean, these aren't super accurate if I put in holes in electrical duct and that sort of thing. You aren't an engineering tool by any stretch of the imagination. So you do a first 987, 99. For all intents and purposes, that's a 10mm hole. Right, we'll go up a little bit onto some mild steel box section, which is always fairly toughish. Once again, this has been used when I did the test on the hole saws. I'm going to use cutting oil this time with ordinary oil I use all the time in the workshop. It does put a little bit of smoke out. Got a nice smell. It's about the nearest thing I get to a cigarette these days. It's not doing too bad on that. Right, so that's going alright on the mild steel, no problem at all. Right now for the heavy wall stainless, this is nasty stuff to drill, it always has been, it always will be. Nice and gently, not too much pressure, but enough to make it work. So this is doing alright. I didn't expect it to cut stainless as well as this. I mean, it's not wear its way through, it's actually it's cutting proper. Right, I'm sure you've got to agree that it did alright. It was great on the aluminium, pretty good on the mild steel. The stainless was actually pushing it. It's not designed for cutting stainless steel, it's designed for putting holes in bits of casings and ductings. But it did do the job. The question is, would I buy one for my workshop? Absolutely, without a doubt. To have that in a drawer where you can cut a hole in a thin plate from 4 to 32mm without looking for, because to cut a big hole with an ordinary twist drill is difficult. These seem to go through quite nicely. So yeah, definitely I would say it's good value for money. Don't forget, there's a link at the front of the video. If you want to, click on there, go on the Banggood site, have a look. If you want to buy one, buy one. As I say, I do get a little bit of commission on each one it's sold. Anyway, thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed it.